Kusang po, hello, namaste and tashtalit everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Travel and Food Journey with Kazang. Friends, today I'm going to take you around here in Astoria.
No matter what you need to find, you'll find it in Astoria.
It's an unbelievable community. You name it, we have it here.
You have everything about living in New York without having to live in New York.
I mean, I love Astoria. I just love it.
A walking tour for you guys here in Astoria. I am planning to take you guys to Astoria Ditmas Park, which is one of my favorite. There are a lot of things, that happens during summertime. I don't know what we will get to see today, but I would like to take you there. And also, first of all, I want to let you guys know I'll be walking from Vernon Boulevard all the way to Ditmas Astoria Park. And just want to give you a little history here about Vernon Boulevard. Like 10 to 12 years ago, like this street where I'm walking right now did not have much traffic. And also, like, if you look at here, like all of those like new buildings, see this new building which is like a whole block, and a lot of new other buildings has come up in recent years, and which is super exciting, which is good, because that means, you know, the property value around here is really going up. And this area, and also right over there is where you actually take the ferry to Manhattan, which I have shown you on some of my blog. That's from Astoria. And friends, that is the place where you can actually take the ferry going all the way to Manhattan. That's the ferry from Astoria.
So friends, in order to get to this ferry station, which is Astoria, you have to take a Q103 bus, which runs on Vernon Boulevard, or you can take Q69 and Q100 that runs on 21 Street. And the train station stop for this one is, it's 21 Queensbridge. F train is this train.
And you see, friends, you see a lot of artwork. There's a huge building complex again coming up here. Like I mentioned earlier, this whole stretch is getting fully developed with like nice condominiums, nice apartments for rental. Let me show you the arts on the wall. See, you get to see a lot of like beautiful art walls. If I continue going up, there's a lot of beautiful artwork, but I'm not going to go this way. I'll maybe take you guys some other time. And there's a really nice church right here on this stretch on the way to the park, and a lot of old homes with beautiful, you know, still those old architecture or old design. I think this will take me to Astoria Park. See, there's another one also, another church. Look at those design of the homes, friends. How nice. See, nice design. I'm really enjoying the design of those houses. Look friends, how beautiful this one looks. Wow, that one is like really grand. I wish I could show you guys. Look at that. That house is really nice. Wow. So that's the building over there. The tallest building it used to be earlier here in Astoria, Queens. But like I said, not anymore. See, that's called the Shore Tower Condominiums, and it kind of look old now. Kitty. Look at the cat. Do you see the cat, friends? Look, it's going in front of me. And we believe that if a cat crosses your path, you know, it's supposed to bring you bad luck, but you cannot avoid it at certain times. So what do you do at that point, friends? Just please leave a comment for that. Okay, so I don't know where this cat is going to go. If it goes left, that means it's going to cross my path. Okay? So let me cross my path before it does. No, I don't know where it went. Oh, it went inside, so it did not cross my path. See, it went inside there. So what should I say? And we are actually at the entrance of Astoria Park.
Wonderful Astoria Park, which you cannot beat. Big park, running trails, places for picnicking, and a tremendous view of the city.
See, from here there's no vehicle, only for bikes. You can bring your bikes here. And this is a really nice park, friends. It's one of my, say it's Astoria Park South and Shore Boulevard is what this is known as. Okay, so let me take you up here first and show you, because they have a track where you can jog in the morning, or like basically if you come here even middle of the night, you know, or like really early in the morning, there's like lights going on everywhere, so you can basically come here and jog here, and it's completely safe. So you'll find a huge track up here. Wow, it's a beautiful day to come out for a walk. And what I meant for a nice track to jog and run, see? And I see a lot of, group of students who are here for this. So this is what it looks like, friends. See, you can jog. See, a group of students from different classes. And friends, that bridge that you see over there,
The name now is the Robert F. Kennedy Bridge, but I know there's plenty of you old-time New Yorkers that still call it the Tri-Bar Bridge. This all-steel bridge is actually just steps away from the Hellgate Bridge, and you can walk from one to the other in less than 5 minutes. It's called the Tri-Bar Bridge because it links the boroughs of Manhattan, Queens, and Bronx via a complex of bridges, viaducts, and elevated expressways along the same lines as the Hellgate Bridge. But quite simply, everyone just recognizes the Tri-Bar Bridge as the gray green suspension bridge spanning across the East River between Astoria and Randall's Island. Completed in 1937, the complex accommodates cars, buses, and trucks for a nice sum, as well as bikes and pedestrians. You can catch spectacular views of the main bridge, again from Astoria Park and Randall's Island. But for a unique angle, you can also try the Astoria Boulevard subway platform.
And I had so much fun watching those guys, showing their tricks with the skateboard. Usually, if it's on Sunday, over the weekend, there are lots more people who come here to skate. Friends, I'm going to end my blog here for this first part of Astoria or Ditmas Park, because the video is getting too long. And friends, just wanted to show you a small clip of where I am currently and how do I generally love to edit my videos. And friends, thank you for watching. Share lots of love, happiness, and peace.